Don't try and grab the drone vertically. There's a ground sensor in the drone. It will detect your hand and you start to rise. Instead, fly the drone to the level of your eyes and then reach out horizontally to the first third of the drone. And then clamp it between your thumb and your fingers. When you've got it tight with your left hand, turn off the rotors. Make sure your hands actually can grip the body of the drone. When the rotor shut down, tilt it towards you and bring it towards your chest to stabilize it.